na idinaos for the benefit of Kapuso para sa Kalikasan Project ng Kapuso Celebrity Spokesperson Richard Gutierrez spearheaded the event.
We're very happy, very pleased. Maraming tao ang sumuporta, almost 5 katuwa dahil they're always here for such a great cause. At gusto ko rin pasalamatan syempre yung mga ibang Kapuso stars na
Naging co-host naman ni Richard si Isa Calzanron.
For this run, so I only did 5K today. Pero okay lang, you can't complain. I mean, we're all here for something.
Ayon naman sa ibang celebrity participants.
gusto ko takbo para be healthy, like this.
It's always good to do exercise every morning. To see a lot of people waking up 4 or 5 a.m. just to run. People running 10, 20, pretty fun.
Para sa ating Kapuso, tumulong tayo sa ating mga kababayan. Maganda ang ginawa ng GMA Kapuso. At least nagsama-sama tayo at malaking may tutulong ito.
Sa pagtatapos, binigyan din ng awards ang youngest and oldest male and female participants. Pati na rin ang members ng pinakamalaking grupo ng runners. Ang fastest 50 runners naman for category nakatanggap ng limited edition shirts exclusively autographed by Congressman Manny Pacquiao. Ang All-Star Kapuso Fun Run.
Well, this fun run was organized by GMA Kapuso Foundation at merong foundation na Kapuso para sa Kalikasan. So, yung profits na nakuha natin dito sa event na to, mapupunta yan sa paggawa ng mga water system, and meron din tayong mga tree planting programs nationwide, tulungan din ng Kapuso Foundation.
Patrick, let's